You're almost there. Just a few steps before you finally get the keys. First up, the final walkthrough appointment, which on your contract, a standard contract is 5 days before you close. This usually happens right before escrow closes. And the seller's hopefully moved out by now with all their stuff to not leave anything behind for you to deal with. But you get one last good look. This is your chance to confirm everything. Appliances, light fixtures, everything agreed upon stays. You'd be surprised what sellers sometimes remove. You're always checking repair items when completed. And if something was negotiated, it should be done. And if you can't be there in person, have a family member or a friend you trust go for you and do video and look at it and really focus because this is your time to get what you need. The home should be the same or better than when you made your original offer. Like they cleaned it and it's clear of all their stuff. Basically, this is the a final quality check. If anything's missing or not right, your agent will know what to do. Usually that means delaying closing until it's fixed. I know you don't want to do that, but I mean, no one loves that. It's rare. I haven't had that happen before, but it could. And most sellers want to close, just like you. They want their money. You want your keys. Everyone wants to move forward and be done, right? So while you're there, it's also very smart to measure. And I would recommend that you do that beforehand and start planning with your furniture. Figure it out, your placement, what you want where. But in case you didn't, this is your time to do it. Plan your move, sketch out your layout if you need to. And while you're at it, make notes on child proofing or pet proofing too. Uh, if you did not have a conventional loan, you may have like issues with the railing that's more than 4 inches wide, for example, and you might want to just fix that now before you move all your furniture in. And that way you're set to go from day one. Now, once everything looks good, it's go time. You will meet with escrow to sign paperwork. Big stack, big stack. You'll sign loan docs and closing disclosures. You'll also pay that remaining down payment. And then escrow will then send everything for funding. Once a lender wires in your loan, escrow distributes funds to everyone involved. Everyone. There's a lot of people, big team behind the scenes that you don't even meet. And the seller, mortgage company, agents, all of us. And then they record the property in your name. Done. Just like that, escrow is closed. Unless you've agreed otherwise with the seller. Then that is when you get your keys. You are officially a homeowner. Yay, congratulations. Now, take a deep breath. You made it. But let's be honest, it's a lot. So many moving parts in this process. I've seen buyers go it alone. They try to save money by DIYing. Don't recommend that. But what do they actually save? I can't imagine doing it by myself. Not much, not a whole lot. What do they risk losing? A lot more. This could easily be a week-long course. I'm telling you, it really could. Buying a home is not simple stuff. It's one of the biggest financial moves you'll likely ever make in your life. I would not recommend it in California with all the litigious things that happen. Like every page in your contract was a lawsuit, and that's a lot of pages. And if you've learned one thing from this, let it be this. Get a great agent. Someone who knows how to navigate all of it, who protects your deposit, your deadlines, your deal. Someone who's seen it all before and knows how to keep it together. With a few years under my belt and many successfully sold homes, I've seen what happens when people cut corners. And I can promise you it costs more. Actually, when they do cut corners, they don't get what they want. And going cheap on representation, that's false savings. Hiring the wrong agent, that gets expensive very fast. And trying to represent yourself, That's risky, stressful, and unnecessary. I want this to be a smooth ride for you. That was not a horse pun either. This is one where you will feel informed and protected. One where you land in the right home at the right price with the right terms and the right realtor. So, if you're ready to do this, let's make your home buying journey awesome. And with me on your side, that's handled. It will be. Let's get you the keys to something great, something that you're going to love.